Alright guys, so this video is going to show you how to add slides to your original digital notebook. So we know we sent out your 6th grade interactive notebook, and to find everything there's this little drive icon right here. This drive holds everything from your slides to your docs, everything that you open up that's in Google, it'll all be found here. It's kind of like a cloud. That stores all your pictures like on the iPhone. It's one of those. And so everything's going to be in this drive. So I'm going to open up this drive and I'm going to show you what your 6th grade interactive notebook is going to end up looking like. Your guys' obviously doesn't look like this yet, but at the end, your interactive notebook is going to look just like this. You're going to have everything done and imported. So if you guys notice, there's the title. You guys have done this one. Here is activity 1, right? You guys have done this one. And then we're going to have, activity 2 done, which is right here. And then so on and so forth. You guys will get activity 3 done, see how it's done, and 4, and all these activities. They're all going to be done and all placed in one notebook, but this is going to be at the end, right? We're pushing out one activity at a time to you guys, and you're going to do that activity, and then you're going to turn it in, and then after you turn in just that single activity, then you're going to go and add it to your digital notebook, right? So we sent out right here, you can see the 6th grade digital notebook, right? This is going to be your original template for everything, right? So yesterday, I sent out your first assignment on the digital notebook, right? It was complete the instructions on the page. When you finish, hit turn in. After copy the slide and add it to your 6th grade digital notebook. I will show you how to do it. So this is me showing you how to do it. So right, you had your digital notebook activity 1. So I did it. So I'm going to bring it up. Let's see if I can find it. Right here. So here's my, whoops, wrong one. Sorry, my iPad's just a little slow. Let's see. Here it is. So right, you guys finished activity 1. Here we go. Finally got it up. Right. So this was activity 1. You had to talk about what you would do if you won $1 million. This is what I did. So at this point, I've already finished the activity 1. I turned it in, and now I want to copy this over to my original digital notebook. So what I'm going to do is, if there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either screenshot it, right? Do a quick little screenshot, and it'll automatically save the photo. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into this and crop it to where it's just the slide. So I can easily slide this down and crop the photo to where it's just that slide. Right now I'm going to hit done, saved photos. Okay, you can do that. Another thing that you can do is down here, if you hold down the slide, it says 1, your bottom left, and it has the activity. If you hold down the slide, this is going to, if you notice the top, everything pops up. Okay, the scissors means to cut it. The 2 little rectangles right next to it, that means to copy the slide. The clipboard means to paste. Delete means to delete the slide, right? We don't want to do that. But we want to copy the slide. So if we have these 2 little rectangles that are right, one's in front, one's in back, that means that we have now copied the slide. So what we want to do now is, if we go back into our drive, which in my top left, there's a little shortcut to the drive. If we go back in there and I want to bring up my original, my notebook, right? Okay. And I wanted to add that slide in. What I would do is I would hold down this 1 again, and this is going to pop up again at the top, right? The 1 slide selected, and I'm just going to hit the clipboard button. That's going to paste that slide that I copied right in. Right? There we go. Look, and it added it. Now it's number 2. Okay? That is how you add a slide. Now, if you didn't want to do that way, say you did the screenshot, so then what you would need to do the screenshot is, if you see this bottom right, it's the adding a slide. So I'm going to add a blank slide. It's the bottom. I'm going to click the blank slide. I'm just going to add one that's just, you know, if you can click anyone. I mean, this is you're gonna want to delete the little text boxes because you don't need that. But now that I have a blank slide, I can insert my picture. So if I hit the plus button, and there's going to be insert, and then here's the image. So I'm going to insert that image, and I'm going to go from photos, and then I'm going to click my screenshot that I took of the activity, and it's going to pop that right in there. Now that's in my digital notebook as well. So there's 2 ways to add your slide from another presentation into your original digital notebook. So that way, at the end of the notebook, you're going to have every activity in there, and it'll all be in one place. Alrighty, so this is how you do it. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.